Hi, I'm AJ Vinik. It wasn't that long ago that I was sitting in a very similar place to a lot of you right now. In college, kind of wondering what I was going to do with my next summer. I knew I needed to get more management experience in the construction industry. I'd already spent a lot of time as a laborer in the construction industry, but quite frankly, there were still a lot of things I needed to learn. Then I heard about Next Step Ministries. It wasn't long after that that I did my first internship with Next Step as a construction manager. The year after that, I did it again. I learned so much through the experience. And after the 2 years of interning with Next Step, I was hired on full-time to help out with the construction aspect of the ministry. I truly can say that I don't know of any other internship in the construction or engineering field that will allow you this much opportunity to grow.
I had 5 internships in college, 2 with Next Step. They were the best internships that I had, construction-wise, and they were just simply rewarding in every aspect. Designing, estimating, purchasing, and actually physically constructing the building became a part of everyday life. It drastically improved my communication skills, and it's something that I use every day as a general contractor.
Here are a few things that you can expect from your Next Step internship. Number 1, hands-on experience. With a lot of your construction internships, you find yourself in an office a lot. That's not the case with the Next Step internship. See, our internship is really based around working with the community, serving with the community. With that, you're going to start in every aspect of the construction process. You'll be in the design process, the estimating process, the planning process, the management process, and getting the opportunity to lead churches from all over the U.S. in those projects.
By far, I've learned about 10 times more than I ever did in the past internships I've served out in the industry, just from the perspective of management, estimating, also just learning how to work with other people. Communication is huge, and that seems to be half the business, so it's really cool to see.
On top of that, you'll have this awesome opportunity to work with suppliers and contractors from all over the U.S. that come with their churches, and also community members that know a lot and you can learn a lot from during your summer. Number 2, leadership. In today's industry, leadership skills are crucial. During a summer with Next Step, you'll have the opportunity to lead over 500 volunteers throughout the summer on big construction projects, whether that be putting on a new roof or starting a whole home from the ground up. You'll be serving alongside a community to do those projects. All along that time, managing a very large budget that you get to control as an intern on staff with Next Step during the summer.
With Next Step, I was given the responsibility of overseeing dozens of work projects, which helped strengthen my communication and leadership skills. Skills that can't be taught in a classroom, skills employers look for on a resume.
A summer internship with Next Step is a great opportunity to learn how to effectively communicate and lead large groups of people, something that no matter what industry you're in, they're going to be looking for in people that they potentially hire. And lastly, number 3, a great resume builder. The internship with Next Step is a very unique opportunity to learn how to do a multitude of things all in one summer. With that, there are a lot of interns from the past that have landed great jobs in their own local communities, whether that be in the industry or in ministry.
It prepared me well and was a great resume builder. When I came out of college, I had 6 job offers from companies around the country.
I would recommend this internship 100%. It's definitely a challenge, but Next Step sets you up with everything that you'll need as a construction manager out in the field. It sets you up for a lot of success in life.
If you're interested in an internship opportunity like nothing you've ever experienced before, visit us at nextstepministries.com and apply today.